Hello, guys. I welcome you all to this much awaited interaction session with Professor Dr. Ashwini Kumar. I know you all were waiting for this session from yesterday. I announced about it yesterday, and today we are going to have him on the show, and he is already here. But before calling him, let me tell you some things about him. He guided me during the initial days of my journey. He guided me during the BTech time and he shaped the initial career for me, right? And similarly, he is here for you. He is going to help all of you regarding a lot of problems in your lives, right? And I hope you all are lucky enough so that he's coming and he will be taking a lot of queries from you. And today also I have a lot of difficult questions I'm going to ask him so that you can get to know him. So the basic things about him I'm going to tell you what he is doing as of now. So Professor Dr. Ashwini Kumar, he is working in Indira Gandhi Delhi Technological University for Women as a Pro Vice Chancellor and Professor in EC department. He has more than 28 years of experience in research, development, academics, and the field of telecommunication. He has served IGTTU as a Pro Vice Chancellor, Dean International Affairs, Registrar, Professor and Chief Proctor, Dean Student Welfare, Head Training and Placement, Professor and Head of Department EC, Professor and Dean in USET, Principal in IGIT, Head Academics in IGIT, and Senior Program Manager at CDOT as well. So I hope now all of you are excited to meet him. So let's welcome him on the show. Okay. I welcome you, sir, on this show, and we all are so happy. We are so excited to have you on this show, and I guess a lot of students are now going to get benefited like we were benefited by your knowledge, by your experiences during our college times. So today we are starting with a thing which is impacting all of us, that is COVID-19. So the question is how, according to you, COVID-19 is going to impact the engineering students. अब एक student है उसको कैसे इस time पर अपनी regular preparation से अलग कुछ करना चाहिए आपके according?
Thank you for asking to join your platform. It is a pleasure to join your platform and I've seen your journey of 9 odd years. IGIT, you were a student from where to where you have moved across. So you are an inspiration to all your students in any case. But glad to see you having progress so well in your life and really happy that you've done so well and doing disseminating your information and knowledge amongst all of us. That's a very good platform. So COVID-19 has impacted everyone, not only engineering students. It has impacted a toddler to an engineering student to an elderly. What COVID-19 effectively tells you about is in adversity, create a way of being innovative and creative, like Ludo King did, like other platforms have done, like you suddenly realize even the five-star hotels realizing that now the hotels are shut, the hotel industry is shut. So they came out with their menus which could be served at your residence. So offline, things moved from a zone being there to a zone delivering at your place. So you were reaching out to the customer instead of customer reaching out to you. So COVID taught you that now as an engineering student or as a management student or as any other student, what you really need to understand is it is the information which is coming over to you. You are not going to the college. You're sitting at home, work from home culture, WFH, which has happened is that you have to reach out to your professor. You are supposed to reach out to the people who matter. You are supposed to reach out to the industry. You are supposed to reach out to the things available on your online platforms, on your connecting platforms, your Instagrams, your WhatsApp, your everything. You have to create groups. You have to create everything such that you are connected and the information still continues to be shared. So you have to do the reverse engineering in the system. You have to battle it out. You have to see to it what it has impacted and how well you can still grapple it out of it. So everything which is coming across, COVID-19 teaches you to be how to be resilient. how to be strong enough, how to face the adversities and still come out as winners. That is the most crucial aspect of COVID 19. It really teaches you how to be together, how to be connected, irrespective of this system, irrespective whether you can be there or not. These platforms which you have launched, called Zoom platforms and all, these were the bane of COVID only. Who thought about these platforms? Zoom, you and I were never thinking about it. Yes, in the corporate circle it was happening, but not on a day-to-day basis. You
Yes.
were not playing Ludo being connected. Did you ever play Ludo before COVID happened on a mobile? No, I never played. I think none of us had played. We never thought about also कि playing हम Ludo हम अपने अपने घर में बैठे हुए Ludo खेल सकेंगे. But it has happened. That teaches you. That teaches you so many things. Probably none of you, your students and young generation engineering students, anyone, I'm talking about increasing your thought process. None of you were ever connected into stocks and shares. कोई बंदा नहीं था stocks and shares में. Suddenly demat accounts massively खुल गए because people realized that there is time to put something focus on financials also. So they got new way out of earning money in a positive way and using their brains also. So lot of positivities are there.
That is so true. So you gave us such a different meaning to COVID-19. We all are afraid of all these things that are happening around us, and the way you are perceiving it, it's completely different. So yes, okay. So I have one more question. That yes, COVID-19 is impacting all of us, and we can take it. All of the things we can take it in a positive manner, like you suggested. बट द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर गोइंग फॉर प्लेसमेंट दीज डेज, तो उन लोगों को क्या अपने अप्रोच में चेंज करना होगा? बिकॉज वी ऑल नो कंपनीज, दिस सिनेरियो इज चेंजिंग, a lot of things are changing. So now what change in approach a student should have in his mind if a student is in third year and he's like moving towards the final year? What all things he should keep in mind before uh, tackling this situation?
Yeah. So what I'm trying to say to is a student who's in the third year to the final year or the first year to the second year, who are not going to the college, what they're actually missing out on it is the practical aspect, the labs which are not there, the interaction with your peers and the professors which is not happening, resulting in you're probably only getting the theoretical knowledge while reading the books. So that is a very big hamper. But what I advise to all the students, because this is something which we cannot control, but they do have the set of practicals which they had to perform. They must analyze and utilize all the tasks which are available on a YouTube or on the mode which is technically in there, which is available in the system. Get connected to some professors, some researchers, some worldwide networks, wherein they also come to develop a particular skill set. See, when you are sitting at home, you can't do something which is hands-on. But probably हम जब स्कूल में भी होते थे और जब आप कॉलेज में आप पढ़ते थे, आई यूज टू ऑलवेज टेल यू कि जोड़ मोड़ तोड़, मतलब किसी भी चीज को तोड़ो, उसको जोड़ो, मोड़ो एंड उसको जोड़ो. Say you pick up a transistor today. That's the most effective system. Pick up a transistor. That's what the best of the scientists have done. The best of the inventors have done. Pick up, just break it today. तोड़ो उसको, तोड़ के फिर उसमें देखो कि what are the components inside that. Then do a reverse engineering. Say a drone is not such an important thing, and artificial intelligence is something so much important. So you people are easily able to design a drone at home, understand how a drone is being built, how a system is operational, how you just छोटी छोटी चीजें घर पे जो आपकी खराब हुई हुई है. Maybe when you read about transistor, when you read about an optical fiber, when you're seeing the dish TV getting connected to your system, like after all some wire is coming across. उस वायर की आप बेसिक खोल के बेसिक एट घर पे स्लाइसिंग करके देखिए. You will come to understand so many things out of it. You will probably understand where the system has happened. Just keep your observations on. Say when you're not going to the college, you can at least observe things around you. You can think about what has happened in the past, what is the future technology which is coming across, and enough things are available on net. The only thing is when you're doing it hands-on, when you're trying to do hands-on,
You have to ensure that you are able to differentiate between data and information. Net with data, lot of data is there. It confuses you more than giving you anything positive. But if you are a little well-read person, you will be able to filter out the information from that data. That is crucial. So I would advise each and every student who gets connected to you or even in general that they should enhance one specific skills which they feel they are good at it. Not that skill अगर तो आप उसको furnish करते हो, refurbish करते हो, उसको enhance करते हो, that will do a world of good to you. So pick up any technological item lying at your place जो बिल्कुल बेकार हो चुकी है, try breaking it completely, try getting into the deeper things. Even a breadboard जो हम लोग basic electronics के students करते हैं, a computer student if he starts sitting on the computer and starts coding something, coding after reading a particular book or after being on a net, understanding a particular language, the world is done. You would have done a great deal of enhancement to your skills. That will help you completely. So
सर
that's what
अभी
my
आपने
advice is.
अभी आपने रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग की बात करी, आपने बात करा कि हमें अपना टेक्निकल स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाहिए. सो व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ डिग्री देन? व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन? व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टाइज और अ डिग्री?
Young girl, world's best of the scientists, from Newton to everyone, they never had any degrees. They never had degrees, right? This system of the world, which is we are now transgressing to, yes, degrees are a certification and an authentication that you have done something. But at the end of the day, the way things are moving ahead, these concepts are entirely changing. If you are knowledgeable, you will be sought after. Say, let me give you a live example of yours. You are putting your lot of channel पे आपने अपना एक channel on किया हुआ है. You are putting something which is knowledgeable enough, which may be edited by some IITN or some Indian Institute of Science somewhere. But you are putting on an information. Is anyone asking you your degree? If the information is correct, is anyone asking you from where did you do your BTech?
नो.
No, na. हम वो आमिर खान की एक फेमस मूवी आई थी, इफ यू रिमेम्बर, चतुर और आमिर खान, which was that movie, you tell me?
ओके, दैट वाज थ्री इडियट्स.
Three Idiots. Absolutely. I just wanted you to say Three Idiots. It gave you the answer to that. My question has been given by Three Idiots as a movie. It is still valid in India. Do
यस.
you know these are facts which I will tell you now. I will tell you all your students also. You must convey to them also. Northeast, the best of Indian country with the Northeast students which are there, they are so sharp, they are so brilliant. You can't even imagine their technical knowledge, even without a degree, is so good. They are able because they have just gone practical knowledge. Practically, they're just doing things. A school student is so brilliant. He can code, he can decode because he is just practically doing everything. So what I'm trying to emphasize on this is, yes, in this, when you talk about degree is important or technical knowledge is important, even if you have a degree with 80% marks from your college, you still may not get a job. So you having a degree or any certification, where your skills are being harnessed, you have good skill set, and you showcase them, people will accept you. Degrees का system खत्म हो चुके हैं वैशाली. You will realize over a period of time, degrees not having any significance because people like you, the young generation, is not focusing on jobs which are defining eligibility criteria, minimum BTech from such and such institute. Those are government rudimentary systems. They are gone. How many of you really are joining government services? Probably very few. How many of even are you sticking to the private services? You, because your zeal, your enthusiasm is so high. I want to become an entrepreneur. The way you have become, your channel is a stepping stone for being an entrepreneur. So relevance, yes, degrees are needed. Still, we want a degree from Harvard. Still, we want to go to MIT. Still, we want to join Stanford because why it is there? Because you're there, you're interacting with the world's best knowledge, brains. You're getting an environment to share your knowledge. Once you share that knowledge, additionally, you get a degree also. You're happy with that. It is like going to a temple. और टेम्पल में जब आप मंदिर जाते हो तो यू गेट दैट पॉजिटिव एनर्जी ना, जिससे आप मंदिर में जाते हो तो वहाँ पे 10 और लोग हैं जो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं. So you're imbibing that positive energy. You're able to share that. So it becomes more relevant. But times have come when only skills, key skills of yours will be crucial. A 10th grade pass out, like any Einstein, would be able to do far better than a doctorate like me because he would have done something very, very practical. He would be focused on a very specific thing. Focus on a very specific thing is more crucial. आप किसी भी चीज पे specifically focus हो जाइए. You know कि the next generation is on artificial intelligence, robotics, cyber security. All these things are crucial. Security related issues. आप एक चीज को आप बेस बनाओ, become a master of. Life is.
Okay, sir, that is so inspiring. This is such a great way to see the things. I never thought it like that. So now I'm moving towards the next question. So the next question is that if you are moving online, I am bringing you online. You are coming on this platform. So how do you feel this online things are going to impact the education world?
See,
So
online thing has already impacted.
there is a term called edtech, which is there in the industry these days. So what is like this? How this is going to impact the world of education?
Jungle, Vishali, things have really moved across with this advent of technology into the education system. People से कोर्सेरा जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पहले भी थे, खान अकेडमी जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पहले भी थे, राइट. Edcity was something which was available पहले भी, but they were limited to few people who were aware of them. What technology, what COVID-19 has done is technology की utility, technology की availability has spread wide across the system. Across the system, everyone needs the best data connection. Everyone wants more data. Everyone wants to be connected. The way the WhatsApp messages पे transmit होता है, the way things transmit. If you're good, it automatically spreads like wildfire. So the flow of information has speeded up like anything. When you talk about technology, when you talk about what is the model now which would be operational, yes, these platforms would be absolutely in use, which was a criteria जो बहुत ही कम लोग use कर रहे थे. Now widely it is being used. First, it is being used widely. That is with the rollout of 5G now happening. It would be more easier. हम जब शुरू किया था mobile communication at our time, we used to talk only about voice. That was a time. There were three components in any mobile communication when you teach. What is voice, data, and video? Voice has gone for a free. Any Airtel, any Vodafone, any operator doesn't get any revenue out of voice. Data also now you're not getting much revenue at all. Only thing left is videos. That's the final thing. But जो आप और मैं communicate कर रहे हैं is video. Everything is now being put across video. Everything is happening through use of a mobile device. That's what it is. And that is how things have changed. Things have moved across in life. So yes, the system, because say a country like India for that matter, it will take a lot of time yet to get into an absolute online mode, because abhi connectivity is not there. The last mile connectivity is not there. PM has been very innovative and very far foresighted when he promised to connect over 6 lakh villages with optical fiber in 1000 days. He recently said that we must connect these villages. And PM has a, yes, absolutely. Our Prime Minister is a visionary Prime Minister.
Exactly.
He thinks ahead. Unless until villages get connected, you will not be able to disseminate this information. Your video will not be accessed by anyone who's sitting in a village. Now these were the problems which many of them faced also, कि आप ऑनलाइन एग्जाम देना चाहते हो बट अगर कनेक्टिविटी ही नहीं है, अगर मेरे पास एक डिवाइस ही नहीं है, there are two things which are needed to create an online platform, a device and being connected. कोई ना कोई मीडिया, परफेक्ट फास्ट मीडिया होना चाहिए कनेक्ट टू कनेक्ट यू, and a device. Now somewhere the government or the system has to provide that device to an individual and get connectivity. That's what our Prime Minister is thinking about it. He's already on that mission, connecting 6 lakh villages with optical fiber in 1,000 odd days. That's what things have to become. So till the time people get connected, even if people get connected in, say, a developed country like US or a developed, the best education system is in Finland for that matter, still there is a blended mode. It is not only offline, it is a blended mode.
Yeah, that
Offline
was
and
my
online
next
both.
question actually.
Okay. Prasad, go.
So, which would you prefer for India? So, as you represent the education industry, online, offline, or blended?
It has to be blended. It cannot be either of it. It just cannot be either of it. Sooner, everyone has to be connected in an online mode if the person needs information, and information has to be 24 into 7. आप दिल्ली में हो, you stay in Delhi, right? Lot of students stay in Delhi. आपने देखा है a concept called as 24/7 जो मार्ट है, 24/7. 24/7 आप एक 24/7 वाला एक मार्ट है ना, जहाँ पे आप जाके रात को भी कुछ कॉफी पी सकते हो. How big a
Yes.
success it is. Convert that into education. See, 24/7 is a success. You find, because it has looked into what the consumer wants. आप ऑफिस से निकले रात को 9 बजे, 10 बजे निकले, you want to have a coffee, Starbucks is closed, others are closed because there is a norm of closing at 11 o'clock. 24/7 was innovative, understanding the needs of the consumer. कि उसको he needs a chips का पैकेट at रात को, आपके लोकल किराना दुकान is over. Fine, that is how 24/7 evolved. That is how Swiggy evolved. That is how VFast is evolving now. That is how Oyo evolved. That is how Uber evolved. You wanted everything at the convenience of yourself. So even education. भाई अगर मेरा एक recorded lecture पड़ा है और मैं दिन में काम करके आता हूँ, I'm working. We are a poor country. We are developing country. We have to meet our ends also. अगर दिन में मैं काम करता हूँ, मुझे ये पता है कि वैशाली का एक लेक्चर ऑप्टिकल फाइबर पे पड़ा है, मैं रात को भी आके कन्वीनियंटली उसको ऑन करूंगा, एंड आई कैन सी दैट, व्हाई वुड आई नॉट? आई एम हैप्पी ना. एंड इफ वैशाली कैन कनेक्ट मी 1-to-1, if I get an opportunity to attend a class at her site wherever she is teaching now, one can go there and open a class and learn from her directly. Whatever difficulties I would have accumulated over this period, which I would not have understood face to face, I would have understood from there. So that's the way things would move out. Effectively, young girl, what should happen is, the way things are happening, the new education policies shifting across, the systems are happening. It's a choice-based credit system. In any case, we are talking about choice-based credit system. You pick up one subject from here, you pick up one subject from there, and you blend it. And now, with such platforms like the knowledge libraries and all other things, like वगैरह के इतने सारे platforms available हैं, you're picking subjects from there. The teacher is not teaching you. That is what is happening even in engineering college. That is happening across the system. It's the life is of blended mode only. You can't survive only on one.
Sir,
You
you
have
changed
to.
the way we think. The way you are telling the things. Again, I got motivated that I have to make more lectures so that student can come and they can see the lectures anytime. 24/7 वाला जो concept है, that is really amazing. That changed even my point of view.
Absolutely, Vaishali, आप खुद realize कीजिए, when you were in class 11th or 12th, and if you had to go to Akash or you had to go to FITG to attend a class, अरे school से भागे, and then you have to go to FITG, then you have to go to this thing, how tiring and difficult it was. You were
Exactly.
always on a breakdown kind of a system. People going to quota for that matter, 2 years down the line, getting a physically taught teacher. Yes, good. Physical connectivity has to be there, that someone has to say and someone has to understand. But at the end of the day, It's a blended mode. You cannot disseminate all the knowledge by what you can say in few words. It has to be learned. And नॉलेज इतनी वास्ट हो चुकी हुई है, इतना इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है इस समय कि 24/7 365 days only if you want to accumulate information even on a very specific topic, time is less for you.
Exactly.
समय कम है, इतनी इंफॉर्मेशन है, इतना रिवर्स आप इतना आप डे टू डे एनहांसमेंट कर सकते हो अपने केस में, endless, absolutely endless. It changes every click of the mouse, every new information gets added on, everything changes, and there is analysis. Everything is becoming more scientific and technically oriented. Things have changed entirely.
I completely agree with you. Sir, I am supporting online education. I am here on this platform. I have to support online, but no, I support offline as well. The power of touch is different. So when you go to college, when you meet students, that there is a difference in that thing. So and about online, we already have seen वो 12th class के students का जो exam cancel हुआ, it was just because we were not able to conduct the things online. वो अभी जो भारत नेट अभी it is lagging in India. We are a developing country and there is still this scope to have all of the students connected with this. और जब ये हो जाएगा, I also feel that this blended mode would be the best mode that can work in India.
Absolutely, absolutely. Say आज के युग में जो MOOCs जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ फ्रीली अवेलेबल यू कैन एक्सेस द नोबल लॉरेट्स, फ्रीली अवेलेबल, उनके लेक्चर्स रिकॉर्डेड पड़े हैं, आप पढ़िए, समझिए, come back to your own teacher. They will give you better information. So you are well equipped when you're going to your class. You are equipped. You are able to have something which is in your brains before you go into the class. That helps you. That helps the teacher, and it helps you grow. So that is what the advantage of a blended mode is. कि आपने basic concepts डाल दिए, आपने online आपके lecture में you have put on some basic concepts. Now maybe an application you need Vaishali to interact with the students directly. Come to her college. She will have a full auditorium open, and instead of 50 students, there will be 500 students,
Exactly.
and then the message goes. That's the beauty of it. So it's life is now blended, absolutely blended.
Exactly. Thank you for coming on the platform. Thank you for being here. And I hope you will be coming here again and again. You will be guiding all of the students, and we all are going to get a lot of things from you. आज जो परसेप्शन चेंज करा है आपने हमारा, एवरीथिंग, आई आस्क्ड यू अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिटिकल क्वेश्चंस एंड द वे यू आंसर्ड देम, द वे यू जज्ड ईच एंड एवरी सिचुएशन, दैट इज रियली अमेजिंग. So I already have inspired, and I guess my students are also going to get inspired a lot after watching it.
Vaishali, I'll just tell all your students and to you also, this is a modern day world. Sooner you will find virtual universities coming across because you put 3-4 questions about the relevance of degrees. आज के युग में you don't need acres of land to get a university. Across the world, there are virtual, vertical universities, not horizontal universities. Because of this technological advancement, because of this dissemination of knowledge, because of connecting someone in US and someone out here in India, you can connect, you can seek the best of the information from that professor in sitting in US, which was absolutely impossible in our time. But your times and the future generation time, everything is possible. आज आप रेस्टोरेंट में जाके आपको मेन्यू कार्ड नहीं देखना, आप एक क्यूआर कोड को स्कैन करते हो, ऑलरेडी यू हैव एवरीथिंग. Already smart cities are there. Already while you're in a car, you can switch on your AC or you can switch on your microwave and get things ready. Things have entirely changed, but still, while you're doing that remotely, still you need your physical presence. I will sum it up very well in the system. Way back, if people are enjoying movies, way back there was a Rajnikant star called Robot. एक मूवी थी, अपने स्टूडेंट्स को बताइएगा कि एक रोबोट मूवी बनी थी way back.
Yes,
It was
yes.
probably 15 years back. That's a wonderful movie depicting how technology moves on, but still a human is needed. even technologically, even a robot carries that feeling. So feelings wala concept, you need the person to be live there to pat someone on the back, to say ki, yes, you did a great job, Mr. X. This was a very good answer from you. So you get, when Vaishali pats a back of some student, he feels elated because he has been appreciated in front of 100 people.
Exactly.
The moment you get appreciated, that knowledge which he gave via on a video gets circulated and gets accepted and recognized. Therein you are needed in physical presence. So I
Exactly.
think there's life classic. Do it. Matlab there is no end to it.
Yes,
And
sir.
every act, whether you still enjoy reading a newspaper, maybe a Kindle will be there, still enjoyment is there. Still you find novels moving off the shelf faster than what you can download. So there is relevance of both. Must enjoy both. That's my take on it.
And somewhere I read, what is teaching? Teaching is not getting your students passed, not getting your student getting good marks. It is just about building relations with the students. That is
Absolutely.
what you are saying. Exactly. Same thing.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Still, the report card holds so much of value to your mother and your father.
Exactly.
Still, you as a girl or anyone as a person, whether it is father, mother, brother, or your boyfriend or your husband, you still go to an Archie's card. You still want an Archie's card to be purchased and given. Though you may have the best of the apps to say I love you or I say here a wonderful day, happy Brothers Day, happy Rakhi, but still you need to tie a Rakhi. You will feel like exclusively happy about it. That is the beauty. Still, the Archie's card holds relevance in the modern day world also. So enjoy. That's what I say. Enhance your skills. जिसको कहते हैं ना, right balance of knowledge through your whatever the online media is. Attitude is your own personality, which you shape it up, and skills which you gain, whether through the online model, through the offline model, but gain it. Create a balance of the three, and your life is good.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for giving us this valuable information that was like very required for each one of us. We are stuck in this time. We require motivation here and there. कहीं से भी मिल जाए बस motivation चाहिए. And you are a great source for all of us. Thank you so much.
प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए आप अपने स्टूडेंट्स को एक चीज जरूर बोलिएगा कि अपने प्रोफेसर्स के साथ जरूर कनेक्टेड रहें बिकॉज फॉर प्लेसमेंट्स लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशंस what you are learning, what you are able to communicate, and your own personality, own communication skills, how well you put it across. Even the knowledge is there, but you're not able to put it across. They need to really look into that. That is the key. Every employer would be ready to take if you have that attitude with you to learn, to be flexible enough, willingness to skill up your skill set, already available skill. Do it. Life would be perfect.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And we
Take
wish you
care.
will be keep coming on this platform and you been guiding us.
I would be glad, Vishali, to be on your platform. In fact, I can put a word of advice to you. Your
Sure, sir.
platform is doing pretty well. Try to get as many people from the industry, try to get as many people from the academia world, try to connect all of them. In
Sure.
fact, take your students to some live workshops, live industry visits. Let them interact. That blended mode comes here also. While you
Exactly.
tell them here, make them go and see something.
Yes, sir. We
That
will
would
do
be
it.
good.
We will
Great.
definitely do it.
Take care. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Bye
Thank you
bye.
so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Bye bye.